Have you ever wondered who first unlocked the force that powers every light bulb, phone, factory, and city on Earth? Electricity wasn't invented at a single moment, but was uncovered step by step over thousands of years, turning mystery into one of humanity's greatest tools. Ancient thinkers like the Greek philosopher Thales of Miletus noticed around 600 BC that rubbing amber with fur caused strange attraction, the first recorded instance of static electricity, even if it wasn't understood yet. For centuries, electricity was just a curiosity until the Renaissance and scientific revolution brought real investigation. In 1600, English physician William Gilbert coined the word electric from the Greek electron and separated electrical effects from magnetism, setting the stage for real science. Then, in 1752, Benjamin Franklin flew a kite in a thunderstorm with a metal key tied to the string. His experiments showed that lightning and electricity are the same phenomenon and led to the lightning rod, a crucial early step in understanding electrical charge. But understanding wasn't enough. Harnessing electricity required new discoveries. In 1831, Michael Faraday uncovered the principle of electromagnetic induction, proving a current could be generated by moving a magnet near a wire. This insight became the backbone of electric generators and motors, the machines that produce most of the world's electricity today. The late 1800s saw electricity transform into practical power. Thomas Edison perfected a long-lasting electric light bulb in 1879 and built the Pearl Street Station in New York in 1882, the first large-scale central power plant delivering electric power to multiple customers. At the same time, innovators like Nikola Tesla and George Westinghouse championed alternating current systems that could transport electricity over long distances, forming the backbone of modern electrical grids. From those early power stations grew massive interconnected grids, with generation plants using coal, gas, hydro, nuclear, and increasingly renewable energy sources, feeding cities and industries around the globe. Electricity now runs everything from hospitals to data centers, and the future promises even smarter, cleaner grids, widespread storage solutions, and more electrified transportation as we push toward sustainability. If this journey from static sparks to global power networks fascinates you, and you want even more deep dives into how science shapes our world, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a lesson that could change how you see everything around you.